The Watery reverse osmosis filter. Open the device's filter cover. Insert the PR cartridge facing up into the device and push it. Turn it clockwise until it reaches the indented triangle mark. Insert the ACF cartridge with the front facing up into the device. Ensure that the surface of the ACF cartridge is as flat as the device. Put the filter cover back on the device. Take off the raw water tank and fill it with tap water. Add raw water close to, but not exceeding, the max line, then put it back on the device. The installation has been completed. Now turn on the power and let the device start working. The make water light is on, which means it is working now. When the purified water reaches a full level in the front kettle, the light will turn off. Here is how to set up your filter. Let the device process 5 raw water tanks first and pour out all the purified water from the kettle. During the initial water treatment process, the water in the front kettle may appear white and turbid. It is because the air inside the cartridge passes through a high-precision filter membrane. Some small bubbles may be generated, which is a normal phenomenon. To prevent dry burning, the hot water will come out after a small amount of warm water. In daily use, the raw water tank needs to be refilled with new tap water. It is necessary to pour out the waste water before adding new tap water. Now the purified water is ready in the front kettle. Place a cup beneath the water outlet. We have preset 6 levels of water temperature for selection. You can also press the arrow buttons to adjust the temperature. There are also 3 preset levels of water volume for selection. You can also press the arrow buttons to adjust the water volume. In order to prevent children from accidentally touching and scalding themselves, this device has a child lock. If you choose a temperature higher than 45 degrees, you should unlock the child lock before the hot water can flow out. The child lock key is usually on. After pressing it, it will turn off. Then press the water outlet key, and the hot water will flow out. The blue light is a reminder of fresh and good water within 12 hours, and it will be displayed in blue. If the purified water in the front kettle has been unused for more than 12 hours, it will turn red. Please pour out the water and let the device filter new tap water. The cartridges of every water purifier have a service life. The service life depends on the local water quality. When the cartridges are about to expire, the lights of the relevant cartridges will turn on. It means that it's time to replace the cartridges with new ones. PR cartridge is a large cylindrical one. ACF cartridge is a small square one. In order to reset the PR and ACF cartridges, you need to unplug the device to ensure safety. Open the filter cover and turn the PR cartridge counterclockwise to the unlock position. Then take out the old PR cartridge. Put the new PR cartridge into the device and turn clockwise until the triangle mark. Next, take out the old ACF cartridge. Push the new ACF cartridge into the device. Now plug it in and flush the new cartridges according to the first use operation. Remember to pour out the purified water from the first 5 raw tanks. Finally, in order to reset the service life of the cartridges, we need to operate as follows. For the PR cartridge, long press the lock and milk keys at the same time for 3 seconds. Until you hear a short beep, release the keys. The resetting of the PR cartridge lifespan is complete. For the ACF cartridge, long press the lock and normal temperature keys at the same time for 3 seconds. Until you hear a short beep, the resetting of the ACF cartridge lifespan is complete. Now you have completed all the steps for replacing the cartridges. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Please feel free to contact our service team at any time.